Good morning. We're going to work on our very first lesson in Canvas today that's independent, meaning you're going to work on it without your teacher's help right now. And the first thing that we're going to create together is a me bag. It's a way for us to get to know each other. And so to make a me bag, the first thing I want you to do is you're going to scroll down, and there's a video here. You can see the little eyeball and the headphones. That means there's something for you to watch and listen to. And it's a book called I Like Me. And it's all about a little girl who likes all sorts of things about herself. So I want you to watch that to get your mind ready to think about our next activity. So when you're finished with your video, you're going to scroll down to apply, and I'm going to read this to you. It says, your first assignment is to create a me bag. See if you are able to find a small bag, like a brown paper lunch sack or a gallon-sized Ziploc. Fill it with 3 items that tell a story about you. Maybe you will include a medal you won for soccer, a baseball because it's your favorite sport, or Legos because you love to build. The only rule is that all 3 items you choose have to fit inside the bag. So you can't put giant stuffies in there or a baseball bat. They have to be small enough to fit in a bag. We will take turns each morning or afternoon sharing from our me bags. You may not get a turn the very first day, so have your me bag nearby for the first couple of days just in case. We will have so much fun learning about each other this way. So after you create your me bag, I'm going to add one more thing for you to do that's not on the screen. I want you to practice with your family, whoever's there to listen to you. Talk about your me bag. I want you to practice talking in a great big voice so that everyone can hear you. I want you to practice talking about the things in your bag and why they're important or special to you. And that will help you be ready when it's your turn to share about your me bag. I hope you have fun with this activity.